After refractive surgery, to keep your vision crisp and clear, please follow these guidelines. Let's start with the eye drops first. Kindly follow the timings and the dosage that have been given on your discharge summary. Even if the interval between the drops on certain days changes, it's perfectly fine. Please don't worry about it. Whether you're instilling them yourself or you have someone helping you, the first and foremost step is a thorough hand wash. You can use your little finger and your ring finger to pull down the eyelid. You can use the dropper between your index and your thumb and press it. If someone else is doing it, also ask them to pull down your lower eyelid and instill one drop at a time. Make sure that the tip of the wire does not touch your eye or the eyelashes, because that can contaminate the eye drops within. Now, when we talk about how to clean your eyes, use the eye wipes that have been given to you. You can wipe the lower half of your face with a wet towel, but avoid water from entering your eye. You can close your eyes and gently rub out any dirt or excessive medication. Do not rub it very hard. These are a one-time use wipe. Clean the area over the eyelid first and then go around it and then throw these. These are not reusable. Kindly dispose them after a single use. When we talk about our routine activities, watching TV, using your appliance like the mobile or the computer can be started from the very next day for as many hours as you'd like, as long as you're comfortable. Regular household activities like cooking in the kitchen, lifting weight of any sorts is perfectly fine and can be done from the very next day. After the surgery, there are no dietary restrictions. You can eat whatever you want, even if it's spicy. You can even chew on hard food. Use the protective glasses that have been provided to you for the first 1 week while traveling outdoors, especially if it is a very dusty environment, to prevent dust from falling into your eyes. You can sleep on any side that you want. There is no restriction on sleeping on the side that has been operated upon. You can resume gym and sports activities after 3 days. Threading and eye makeup is perfectly acceptable after 1 week. Just avoid using a kajal on your lower lid for 2 weeks, as the chemicals might induce a reaction. Water sports and swimming can be resumed after 2 weeks. Driving can be resumed as soon as you feel your vision is clear. There are no restrictions with air travel, and you can go about your travel immediately after the surgery as well. Avoid water from falling directly into your eyes for the first 2 days following a Smile or a Smile Pro procedure, and for the first 5 days following a flap-based LASIK procedure. For these days, kindly use the wipes to clean near your eyes. The lower part of your face can be wiped with a clean wet towel. After the 2 and the 5 days are over, you can use soap to wash your face and you can resume having a head bath. That's it. If you have any doubts, call the Eye Foundation immediately. Enjoy your clear vision.
இந்த மாதிரி இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான வீடியோஸ் பார்க்க தி ஐ ஃபவுண்டேஷன் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க.